Okay, so let's learn how to read tab. We'll start off by putting our guitar on our lap like this, with our strings pointing to the roof. So from this angle, the low E is closest to our chest. And the string letters are E, A, D, G, B, E. And tab is exactly the same as this, with our low E string represented by the bottom line on our tab. And each line of our tab represents one of our guitar strings. So as I play each string from lowest to highest, you'll see an O appear on the tab. This means that I'm playing an open string and I'm not pushing down any frets. Our frets are these pieces of metal here. But when we talk about fretting a note, we're not talking about putting our finger on the metal, we're talking about the space in between our metal here. So if we were to count up our neck, it would be 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and so on. You get it. Now, if I was to push down our 2nd fret on our E string, and then play that note, we would see a 2 appear on the tab on our bottom line. If we were to play our 5th fret, we would see a 5 appear there. If we're counting up, we would have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's say we were using more than one string, our E string and our A string. So if we were to go up our guitar alternating between these two strings, it would look like this in tab. Another example, if we are using our 5th and our 6th string, our B string and our E string, alternating between those two strings would look like this. Of course, keep in mind that when playing guitar, we don't play over the neck like this, we play under. When our guitar is sitting properly on our lap, this is actually much more comfortable. Lastly, when reading tab, if we see two numbers directly on top of each other, like this, that means that we have to play those notes at the exact same time. What we call this is a chord. And just like with any other note, we can fret chords. So this tab above, we would play like this. More complex chords on our guitar will look like this. Our G chord. Or our D chord. Our A chord. So hopefully that all made sense. And with just a little bit of practice, you can become pretty good at reading tab pretty quickly. Any questions? Leave them in the comments. Otherwise, take it easy.